how to create end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to enable encrypted cloud backups to secure your chat history on Android. First, launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Now, wait a moment for it to fully load. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Give it a second here. Following that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. All right, now tap on Chats to access your chat settings. Let that page load. Moving forward, tap on Chat Backup to manage your backup options. Take your time with this step. Afterwards, scroll down until you see End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Once you find it, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Now, wait a moment as the encryption setup page opens. Subsequently, you'll see two options: create password or use a 64-digit encryption key. Let's go with the easier option here. Tap on Create Password to set up password-based encryption. Give it a second. Once that's done, enter a strong password that you'll remember. Take your time creating a secure password. Then tap on Next to proceed. All right, now tap on Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Make sure it matches exactly. Afterwards, tap on Done to enable encrypted backup. Now, wait a moment while WhatsApp sets up the encryption. Then, WhatsApp will automatically create your first encrypted bad backup. This might take a few minutes depending on your chat size, so be patient. Once completed, your WhatsApp chats are now backed up with end-to-end encryption. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you create end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.